Hello guys, I'm just going to make a quick video on some projector lights for the Maserati Granturismo. I know I searched all over the place and there really isn't one specifically for the Granturismo. However, even though they say they are not. You'll see on this, I ordered on Amazon. It says 2017 Maserati Levante, and then GT and Logo 1. Logo 1 is the Maserati Trident emblem with a white and blue ring around it, which I'll show you here in a little bit. Now, on the website, when you choose it, you have to choose Granturismo, Levante, Ghibli, or Quattroporte, and I chose the GT. So what you get is these two projectors and kind of on the back. Now these wires, I made them. They come with wires and they don't fit in here, or they don't fit in the Granturismo wire lights, the original ones. So what you had to do, I kind of test fed them. Now when you put these in, they're very loose, and I'll demonstrate that too. They don't snap in or anything, so you kind of got to make them work yourself. So what I did, for $8.90, I bought this 2.54 millimeter, I guess pinch or pitch connector, the pin connector, I guess you could call them. And this is what they look like, how they come. It comes with a ton of them. That's for doing computer boards and circuit boards and stuff like that. However, it comes with all these connectors, and you need these, the little small ones here. So you need the male and the female. So what you do is, I made, it comes with these wires. I clipped the ends, and then I crimped on these on each end, a male and a female, and obviously I plugged the female end here, and then I have two pins. This is going to plug right into the Maserati original wiring harness. And then what you'll also need is some sealant. So what you have to do is, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put 4 small drops on it, tape it up, and stick it in there, and that way if I ever need to replace them, they'll come right out, but they'll still be secure in there. I will get these next to the car and show you how they fit before you, and how they plug in and everything too, and how you remove the old ones, which are very simple. Alright, well, I got them installed. It took about a whole 10 minutes to do it all. That's how they look. I put 4 little dabs of silicone to make them stick, and some tape, and about an hour later I took the tape off. I just need to make sure I put the red with the red, the pin, and the black with the black. And then you just adjust it so whatever angle you want. It was pretty easy. Thank you.